This is how to create a WhatsApp group that you control completely. Follow these easy steps and take full charge of your group. Tap the plus icon, top right corner. Click New Group. Select members to add. You must select at least one person to create the group. Tap Next. Name your group with a unique title. Set group permissions. Turn off edit group info for members if you want to be the only admin who can make changes. Turn on the other settings to allow admin approval for new members invited by others. Enable disappearing messages and set how long messages should last. This is optional. Add a profile picture for your group. Tap Create. To managing your group links and other things, go to Edit, and these are various ways you can share or promote your group. If too many people have access to your group links, tap Reset Link to invalidate the old one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow for more useful tips like this. Bye!